So, my Libra, Scorpio, cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of April 2026 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. So, without further ado, let's try and find out what is this month trying to bring to you. It rhymed. Anyways, so just be in a receptive mode and let's begin. Angels and spirit guides, what's coming up for my cusp babies for this month? Darlings, if you wish, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook with the same ID of Vibra to Live for some more interesting videos, shorts that I keep uploading. Let's see what do we have for you in this month. I think that's all we have, and we begin with completion, which is trying to say a full circle is coming towards you. A new chapter will begin once you close the old chapter. Okay, give a pat on your back as to how far you've reached, because there are a lot of achievements you will finally come to happy realization. Whenever you feel stuck, try to figure out what is that jigsaw puzzle is trying to tell you as a third person. That's where you will gain more clarity. Okay, now let's see what are the other cards trying to guide you. Okay, so we begin with politics. We have aloneness, abundance, outsider, slowing down, flowering, and past lives. Abundance and flowering, it's more like a king and a queen, okay, in a tarot, okay, specifically in this tarot, which is trying to say if you have been married and if you are looking for a child, then yes, you can expect to welcome a beautiful soul. I'm so sorry if there is a glare coming up by any chance. Okay, and there is something fearful, okay, because there is somebody who's not showing the true colors, so you cannot trust anybody in this month. The reality will hit you, it will hit you like a rock bottom, but remember, it is a passing phase, it is a learning lesson. Whenever you feel lonely, don't give up. Okay, you have your spiritual guru who is there to assist you, because there seems to be light coming at the end of the tunnel. You need to step out of your comfort zone when it comes to finances. Take baby steps, because lady luck will shine on you. You have that flow, but I think it is something on emotions that you are still stuck up or hung up with, maybe because of which you're trying to figure out you know whether you should trust or you shouldn't, and let it unfold at the given time. Stay grounded. Okay, um, share your wisdom is what I would suggest. Everything is coming, but in this month, do not trust anybody. Avoid getting into manipulation unknowingly, because it will get back to you. This is what the warning, you can say, is what it's trying to say. Now let's come to your angels. Let's see what is it that they wish to guide you for this month. Angels and spirit guides. Let's take both. We have listen and notice the signs. So listen to the other side of the coin. Probably they're trying to tell you, and that's exactly how angels are giving you some signs as well. So notice it: synchronicities, feathers, unexpected gains, a text message, some song that you could be humming. So that's how they're trying to tell you. And stop getting into chaotic area. Okay, so you could be listening to loud music, honking, whatever it is. Just breathe. be calm from within, is what it's trying to tell you. Now let's ask your love angels. What are the love energies trying to guide you for this month? Okay, so we have hand of cards and chaser. Maybe that's the reason, you know, they are trying to tell you that the person you could be falling for, okay, when it comes to the matters of heart, if it's a third party, then this person has abandonment issues. That's what the outsider is trying to say. Avoid getting into manipulation or gambling. Maybe that is what it's trying to say. You have options, but this is not the month that you should be experimenting. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Let's take this, and we have privileged lady. So, a lady seems to be playing a very important role in your life, because again, we have flowering. So, if it's a lady, the lady will show you the the right path. Apologies for that blurriness that came up, and this lady is of high honor, okay, need not be on financial ways, but this person is matured, okay. And if you are my feminine energies, there is a hierarchy coming in your life, so embrace it. So how should I sum up this month? Only trust yourself, darling. You cannot trust anybody. Everything seems to be coming towards you, but do not get swayed through manipulation. Whenever you feel you need to figure out what it is, keep chanting the word truth. Okay, in your head, reality will come to you. Whenever you feel you have a doubt, you will understand. Okay, your angels are saying, notice the signs, because they're trying to tell you, I think you are just getting overwhelmed by situations. So calm down from within. There is a chaser that you are trying to be with, or probably this person has abandonment issues. Maybe that's the reason the person will have commitment issues. So that's the reason. Just play safe. And even though if you have multiple options, but don't get into it. This is not the month that you should be focusing, rather focus on your career. And a privileged lady will show you the right path. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to it, to my channel. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And I shall see you soon. If you think it has resonated, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, darling. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.